Don't underestimate what's buried out there in the salt flats. These mining towns have a way of digging up really interesting old tech.
No way.
What is that?
That is a fusion inverter cell.
Incredibly rare and really dangerous. And you know the Guild of Engineers nicked all the ones we had in store at the museum just a few months ago. Pomeroy was furious.
Well, they won't get their hands on this one. I'll make sure it's disposed of properly. Engineers, eh? They think they run the place.
They don't know what they're playing with.
Fire.
Sorry?
They're playing with fire.
世界が滅び、人々は空に、海に、そして地を這う車輪の上に都市を作った。
What is that? It's London.
This is the age with predator cities. We are London.
Predator City incoming!
Valentine, why you murdered my mother?
As to shore, she won't stop until I'm dead.
We have to stop London before it destroys us. You sure you want to do this?
I have to.
The man who controls this controls the world.
I will kill her.
I'm gonna live.
移動都市モータルエンジン